If you're a new recruiter in the US market, things can feel overwhelming. It's fast, it's loud, and it's very competitive. A lot of new recruiters work hard but don't see results. Why? Because they're making a few common mistakes that are easy to fix. Today, I'm going to show you what those mistakes are and how you can avoid them to start making more placements. The first mistake is sending long, boring messages. Most candidates in the US get 20 emails a day from recruiters. If your message looks like a giant wall of text, they will just delete it. The fix: keep it short. Aim for 3 sentences. Say why you liked their profile. Tell them the best part of the job, like the pay or the tech. Ask them if they have 5 minutes to chat. Stop acting like a robot and start acting like a person. Mistake number 2 is not following up. New recruiters often message a candidate once, and if they don't hear back, they give up. The fix: most people are just busy. They might see your message while they're driving or in a meeting and then forget. You should follow up at least 3 times. A simple, "Hey, just checking if you saw my last note," can be the difference between a no and a yes. Mistake number 3 is only looking at skills. You might find someone who knows the job perfectly, but if they hate the company's culture, they won't get hired. The fix: don't just ask what they can do. Ask what they want to do. Ask them, what would make you leave your current job? If you understand their why, you can match them with the right company much faster. This is a big one: not understanding US work types. In the US, there are different ways people get paid, like W-2 or corp to corp. If you try to offer a contract job to someone who only wants a full-time role, you look like you don't know what you're doing. The fix: take 10 minutes to learn the difference between W-2, 1099, and C2C. When you know your stuff, candidates will trust you more. Recruitment is tough, but it's not impossible. If you stop sending spam, follow up more, ask better questions, and learn the basics, you'll be ahead of everyone else. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and tell me in the comments, what is the hardest part about being a new recruiter? See you in the next video.